Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I wrote that?
Well, it's from Simon and Garfunkel, and you copied it from them on this piece of paper. But you used to sing it with your guitar.
Oh.
You remember Simon and Garfunkel?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've come to talk to you again because a vision softly creeping. Sound familiar? Left its seeds while I was sleeping. And you put all these red letters in here because to guide you on the guitar. Because you used to play this on the guitar.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's what the red letters are.
That's what the red letters are. Where were we? Oh, yeah. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone narrow streets of cobblestone. 'Neath the hail of a street lamp I turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence, and the naked light I saw. You know the next part? 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never share. And no one dare disturb the sound of silence.
Sound of silence.
Sound of silence. Thank you, Dad, for writing these down and playing them on the guitar years ago.